Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today the problem that we are trying to solve is Leetcode 3010, that is divide an array into subarray with minimum cost. Now how do we define cost? Cost is the array element that is on the first. So if we check this example that we have, so 1, 2, 3, 12. So what will be the cost of this array? That is 1. Am I correct? Because that is the first element that we have. Now we have to convert this into 3 sub arrays which has the minimum cost. So how can we divide them into sub arrays? So there can be 1, there can be 2 and 3 and 12. But can you guys tell me what will be the cost of this? So 1, 3, 12, 16. Am I correct? But is this having the minimum cost? This is one combination that we can get, but we need to get the minimum one. So let's try another one over here. Okay, so if I just have 1, then 2 and then 3. So what will be the cost of this? It is gonna get 6. So what, this is the minimum cost that we can get. Now what is the observation that we see? So our intuition is as we can divide the array from any point, because we can divide over here, we can divide over here, we can divide over here. We just need to convert them into 3, and our goal is the first element of the array should be minimum. So can I sort it and take the first 3? Because if I sort any list, the first 3 elements will be minimum, and if I divide over here, it should give me the answer. Am I correct? Yes. So now, but let's see another example. 10, 3, 1, 1. Now if I sort this, it will become 1, 1, 3, 10. No doubt till here. Now if I take the first 3 elements by dividing it over here like this, so what will be the sum? 1, 1, 3, that is 5. But is it equal to 12 that is given? But the answer is 12. So why is our intuition getting wrong? Because see, we cannot change the order, but we can actually. So our problem says this array we cannot change the order. And what is the fixed element in the array? 10. So always if we divide the array, we have to take the first element, and what we can do is we can sort the rest and take the next 2 elements. So that is what our intuition says. So we can start from anywhere, but the first element will always be the answer. So our solution becomes first element plus next to smallest element. So this is our pseudo code where we have given array nums, then we pop out the first element, then we sort the rest all the elements, and then directly give the sum and return that. So this is a very easy problem. Let's directly jump into the solution. So over here we have the problem with us, and we are going to do exactly the same that we discussed. So we have to create an answer variable, and we are going to pop the first element. Now by doing so, we have removed the first element. So if I directly write over here, we have removed first element and kept it in answer sum variable. So if this is clear, now what we can do is we can directly sort the array. Once the array is sorted, we just have to return answer sum plus sum of next 2 arrays, next 2 elements, that is 0 to 2. You can do it like this, or you can individually keep 0 and 1. Both will work. So if I just get this test result checked, okay, it is getting passed. Now if I just submit it, and hooray, so we have got 100% success. And this is how we can solve this easy problem. I hope you understood it. See you in the next problem.